Hello everyone, how are you all? Okay, I hope you all are doing great. Right, so today I'm going to tell you the sound of letter N, letter O, letter P, and letter Q. Okay, so what is the sound of letter N? Do you remember the sound of letter N? It's Okay, do with me. Try it along with me. Okay, very good. That's wonderful. So let's move ahead and look at the words that have beginning sound. In the first picture, we can see a nest. In second picture, we can see a nurse. Right? Nest and nurse both have beginning sound. Nest. Nurse. Okay. So let's read the spelling. N-E-S-T. Nest. Yes. It's your turn. Read yourself. Wonderful. Very good. Next. Okay, let's read the spelling of a nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Try yourself. It's your turn. Okay, brilliant. Very good. Now let's move on to letter O. Letter O says, oh. Yes, your lips should be round. Oh. And action should be, you have to remember as if you are switching on and off the light. Okay, oh. Very good. So now let's move ahead and go through the words that have beginning sound at the beginning. Okay, the first picture is orange and second picture is onion. Okay, orange, onion, orange, onion. So let's read the spelling. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Yes, it's your turn. Very good. Now onion. Let's read the spelling of onion together. O-N-I-O-N, onion. It's your turn. Now read it yourself. Onion. Very good. Hey, it's onion, orange. Very good. Now let's move ahead and let me tell you the sound of letter P. Now let me tell you the sound of letter P. Okay, letter P says pa, pa, pa. Yes, pretend as if you're blowing the candle. Okay, try it along with me. Pa, 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 pa. Very good. Thank you. So let's move ahead. Let me share a few words that have beginning sound. Pa, pa. Okay, the first picture is parrot. Okay, pa, pa, parrot. And second picture is pen. Try pen. Parrot, pen. Okay, so let's read the spelling. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. It's your turn. Okay, very good. I hope that you all are reading with me or you're just watching. Okay, so please read along with me. Okay, P-E-N, pen. Okay, P-E-N, pen. Yes. So there are more words that has beginning sound. Okay, let me share a few. Popcorn, pizza. What else? Papaya. Yes, there are so many words, right? Now let's move on to the sound of letter Q. Letter Q says quack, 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 Qua, qua, qua with your three finger. Qua, 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 qua. Okay, so let's go through the words. Qua, qua, quiet. Read quietly in the library. Read quietly in the library. Qua, qua, quiet. Okay. Yes, the first picture. In the first picture, we can see a quill. Yes, repeat after me. Quill, quill, quill. Very good. Let's read the spelling. Okay, are you all ready to read the spelling with me? Okay, Quill, quill. It's your turn. Very good, perfect. Quill. Now let's move on to second picture. Queen. Okay, she is a queen. So let's read the spelling. Queen. 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 Okay, so I hope you have read along with me. I'm sure that you all were doing the action with me and repeating the sound. Yes, you all are good, isn't it? All right. So, thank you for being good and thank you for listening to me. I hope the video was helpful to you. See you next week. Bye bye. Stay safe. Thank you.